Hello guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to make chicken on skewers, and what we'll be needing for this particular meal is, of course, your chicken. A lot of people like to use chicken breast because it's easier, it's already deboned, and so many of that other easy things. But for those that don't have chicken breast, you have to be able to alternate. So I like to go with my drumstick. So we have the drumstick. I already went ahead to debone some of them. As you can see, I did that. So we'll be needing that, the chicken. I like to go in with carrots because I don't, some people use green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, all the bell peppers. I like to go in with carrots and tomatoes, fresh tomatoes and onion. So I'll be showing you how to use your onion, your fresh tomato and carrot. And also what we'll be needing again, we'll be needing your vegetable oil, which is canola oil, and also your butter, which is also canola. But any vegetable oil of your choice, or the butter is optional, but any vegetable oil of your choice is fine by me. And of course here we have our skewers. So let's get right into this video. So I already went ahead to debone some of them. I'll keep the ones I have deboned here and do some others, do the rest of course. So this is how I debone it. You also cut out this part like this. Like this. You must be careful, very gentle, because it's pretty slippery, slimy. That's why a lot of people go for the chicken breast, because all this has been sorted out already. So I'll just do this. After taking out the skin, the rest is pretty easy. So do this. I like really, one of the reasons why I love cooking is because you can also play around with things, the ingredients. You can switch it up and do whatever works for you, and you can always improvise, take up whatever ingredients you have in your refrigerator and make something nice. Like I didn't have bell peppers, but I know I can also make chicken skewers without bell peppers. So it's all about coming up with different things. So this is one down, so I'll do the rest and get back to you guys. Ciao. See you. So we're done deboning and cleaning the chicken, which is this here. You can see how it's looking now. Nice. So we're done with this. We're done deboning it and washing, of course. You can see the bones and every other thing. So for those of us who do not have chicken breast, do not panic. Just go into your freezer and work with what you have. So now what I'm about to do, I'm about to prepare the dressing for the chicken. We'll be going in with some red chili, grounded red chili. We'll be going in with some curry. I like to use the cap of my curry can to measure. Just a cap is okay. We'll be going in with some salt, a spoon or so, teaspoon would be nice. Just depends on the quantity of chicken you have. I like to go in with some black pepper and just get some of that nice sweetness into it. And then this is our seasoning cube. We'll be using one of this no seasoning cube. Whatever seasoning cube you have is fine, it works, it gets the job done. So we'll be going in with our seasoning cube to just get that in there. And also for my own twist, I like to go in with some soy sauce. So we'll be going in with this thick soy sauce. A cup is also okay. A cup of this gives it that unique taste, something different, and people will be wondering how you made, you know, your own sauce, and it's just your little secret. Since the day I tried using some help, since the day I tried using soy sauce, I've never gone back on that. I've always been some powdered chicken flavor stock, some chicken stock to also enhance that flavor that we need. So I'll go right ahead now to mix this all in, and you can see the soy sauce is barely showing in there. This is what the sauce looks like when we're done with it. So nice, yum. You can see the soy sauce is not really, didn't make it mushy or anything because we just used a little. So you can also go in with your soya pepper for this if you want, but where I am staying, we don't have access to soya pepper here, so I improvise. Like I said, cooking is all about improvisation. So I'll go ahead to put that stock all over this chicken just to marinate it, and then I'll leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes, about 30 minutes, 30 or more, but at least 30 minutes, just to be able to get all that flavor properly infused into your chicken. So just lightly massage the stock in there, and you can see how it's already looking so yum. Cooking is a dirty job, so you have to be ready to get your hands dirty to get the perfect result you need. So you can see the chicken already is looking so perfect. All the marinade is in there. We have our salt, our seasoning cube, some red chili flakes. We also have our soy sauce, and you can see how this is all looking nice. So I'm going to pop this in the fridge real quick for 30 minutes, and while that is in the fridge, I'll be working on our ingredients. So I'll be dressing this, cleaning it up, cutting it down. By the time this is done, I'll just put them onto the skewers, and don't worry, we'll get there. So for now, I'll just pop this in the fridge real quick for 30 minutes. All right. Hello, so it's 30 minutes now, and we've waited for our chicken to rest in the fridge for 30 minutes so that all the sauce, all the stock we put in it will get properly marinated with the chicken. So right now we're just going to go in and put them on the skewers. I went ahead to wet the skewers a bit, soak them in water for some time. So now let's just get right into it. First we go in with our tomatoes. Go in with your tomato, with your chicken, your carrot, and guys, this carrot is a game changer. The sweetness is unreal. I like to go in with a bit of this onion here, spring onions, with a bit of spring onions, chicken. How nice! This looks so nice. Yeah. the time we're done filling our kebab, just see what it looks like. You see, you don't have to have the traditional bell peppers to be able to come up with the kebab. You can see how it's looking so nice, well put together, so organized, beautiful. So for the next step, we're going to be going in with our butter and our vegetable oil to give that a good fry. So let's get over there. So our pan has been heating for a few minutes. I put the heat on low heat. So we'll come in with roller butter, just a little bit, just for that. For that extra goodness. And of course, some more of our canola oil to also we'll be putting the oil a bit, little by bit, in stages, so that we put it as we go. So while this is dissolving in the butter and the oil is doing their thing right now. You wait till you start seeing some bubbles. Once it starts bubbling. Okay, so now the oil is ready to get our kebabs. So let's just put that in there. It needs a good 7 minutes or 6 minutes, 3 minutes each. You flip it, 3 minutes on each side. You see the chicken start to turn white, that means it has started cooking. Once you turn it, as you can see, this one here is starting to turn white. This one, that's when you know the chicken has started to cook. And you don't need it to be on fire for too long because it's going to get burnt. Look at 3 minutes on each side. Oh my goodness, it smells so beautiful in here. The smell here is so lit right now. You want to be there, like for real. So guys, we are done with our chicken skewers. Chicken on skewers. You can see how this is looking so nice. This is absolutely perfect. It smells so good in here. It's so easy to achieve this result. You do not need to have all the bell peppers in your house before you're able to make this is so nice. Before you're able to make a chicken skewer. So I hope you guys were able to learn a thing or two about making chicken. Oh my goodness, my mouth is so full right now. It's just so nice. Bye. I'll have to go and concentrate on this. Alright, bye. Please, you can leave your comment in the comment section below if you do not, if there was a part you were not following or something, and I will definitely reply and explain better. In the meantime, till our next video, have a nice day. Bye.